Ready na. Bakbakan na. Hello. So, only the power. Winner Jazz, short rebound, by right place. Pass number 13, Kevin ready to win out of the house. Rebound. Ayun talaga, pagkakabalik ako. Number 20, pass to number 91, pass to number 15, number 2, penalty. Score is 2-0. Last 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 17, you guys got that. Number 21, wala, rebound. Now, number 91, Alumni, pass to number 55. Pass to number 20. 5. One more time, number 2. The score is 4-0. Last 8 minutes and 29 seconds. Rebound fires on the ball, rebound to Marawa. Marawa, 92, 25. 8 seconds shot clock. A windy inside left. Reverse, rebound. Number 2. Number 20, number 2. Last 8 minutes. Still number 2. Score is 6-2. Number 2.
Tulos.
Score is 10-4. Last 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 21, air ball. Rebound by number 3. LeBron. LeBron IC. Pass to number 13. Number 17, Brazil. 20. Number 55, Regal, fires,
Boundary!
Number 21, wala, rebound. Out of bounds. Back ball. Please finish up. Pass to Ready. Ready. 8 seconds up. Out of bounds. Last 6 minutes. Number 30, wala, rebound. Number 2, wala. Pinawa. Number 14. Number 15. 55, rebound. Pass number 30, number 30, wala, rebound, number 30. 25, ready, 25. Got my time. 5 minutes up.
Change 5.
Maraming salamat pala sa Canadians ng Coronado Estado. Maraming salamat po. 12-48.
Tira! Tira, Toy!
Number 40, wala. Satu yard, nakita. Number 21, number 2. 16-8. Last 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Catholic, number 18, yeah. Sila number 30. Number 30, Connor, down. Number 8, Vicentes. Deliver a shot, in and out. Number 3, number 2. Score is 16-10, last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 2, 18-10, 8-point lead by Brooklyn. Number 7, fires for that rebound, and number 3. Neal. Number 3. We got number 7. Number 7. Keeps the lead. Number 2, number 3.
You got
20-10. Number 3, 3 points.
Tira! Uy, kalbo-kalbo yun ah. Nakalit sa bola eh.
Number 7, number 2. Last 4 minutes. Number 21, number 2. 24-50. Number 8, number 2. Nice steal. Oh, yeah. Nice steal pa.
Tira!
10 second shot clock. Rebound. Number 81. Pass number 3. Fire. Kebijakan pada natin. Tira ulit. Number 2. 24-19. 14. Wala rebound. Steal. Last 14 seconds. Rebound. And 15. Number 18, power quickly. Wala rebound. 81. Number 21, last 20 seconds. Number 3, number 2. 26 to last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. End of the first quarter, the score is 28-21.
Dala na ng Silvia.
Parang nagka-camping na lang.
Oh.
Sige, kasali ka dyan, si. Ha? Ako nagpalista sa'yo dyan eh. Si.
Turnover eh.
Hindi pwede? Kumano ba ang kape?
Hindi ko alam eh. Kumuha yata ng gamit. Uy, kainan na yan, mami.
Number 2, 30, 23. Number 18, rebound. Rebound of Lucy. Number 25, another shot. Number 2. 32, 23.
6 points na. Yung kababata ako, pinaglaro ko eh, no?
Ibigay. Isalala, number 2. 32-25.
Up.
Rebound. Ada ulit. Berkursi.
Marami.
Parang ano?
Always by number.
Parang talisaan
Number
na.
20.
Talaga kumukuha ka pa ng fast break ah.
Ano mo, boss? Tira mo na dyan!
Si, pili mo muna si.
Ano nangyari na naman yung nakaraan? Jacket.
Ibigay. Labas.
Si Banteme si.
Si, box 1. Box 1, box 1.
55.
Nga. Ano?
Number 20, 21.
Palug. Yay!
Napa din!
Si Richard na-shoot na eh. Hey!
Foul with the number 20.
Malakas sorteyo eh.
Ano yung tara na?
Inter-subdivision. Mga bata.
Number 2, 38, 29. Last 8 minutes and 12 seconds.
Pagod na, pagod na.
Last 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Case 5. Tira si!
Maybe IC bars for number 11.
Wala. Malamig yung bola.
Number 91 bars. Short.
Napa talaga may
Sabre, 5 minutes.
pangatong bracket eh.
Hoy, pasok!
38-29.
Dawal. Uy!
38-29. Three points. 38-32.
Yeah! Uy ka.
5 minutes.
Nice one, Jay! Dadalang bola.
Napasok? Wala? Sarado? Wala pa rin yung tao nyo? Hindi, graduation nung ano eh.
Chart, box 1.
Parang nagpahuli ka pa ng buhok dito ah. Sa laro ah.
Huli. Huli.
Uy! Nag-behind ka pa! Uy!
Offensive foul.
Ha? Andiyan na. Pahinga lang daw. Konti. Uy! Rep! Uy!
Tira mo na dyan.
Tira mo na dyan! Home court advantage! Uy! Uy! Paul!
Foul.
Foul by number 7.
Talo nga daw eh. Kumpiyansa.
Maganda rin ang laban sa silang.
Roosevelt, pasok.
Finals. Laro
29-32.
Tira kayo, Jess!
Number 5, number 2. Number 7, wala down, number 5. Pinako. Okay. Save ball. As 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Boundary na, ah. Wala.
Number 7, wala pa rin. Paso.
Hoy!
Number 2.
Panis si IC. Kami na kailan tira, wala. Sab na si.
Number 21, wala rin pa. Number 7. Number 7, wala pa rin.
Tira mo na dyan!
Number 18, pass. Number 20, number 14. Wala. Rebound.
Isa lang, Tres.
Number 21.
Uy, baka mag-triple-double ka pa dyan.
Kami na.
Pinlayo, lakas. Step in.
Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. Steal. 5 for 3. 3 points. 43, 37.
Binabantayan pa ni Richard, ah.
Number 1, number 2.
Sabi sa'yo yun.
35, 37. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. The second
Wala naman
quarter.
pambili.
Rebound. Rebound by number 7. Number 7 fires. Wala.
Uy!
Rebound. Number 21. Wala. Last 57 seconds.
Ayaw
On board.
pasa. Uy!
Number 18. Number 2. 47, 37. 10-8 by blue team. The series. Lima shot. Wala pa rin. Number 2, by number 7. 37, 39. Last 25 seconds.
Babangga pa eh.
Tayo.
Last 20 seconds.
Yun!
7, last 5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
First quarter pa lang yun.
First half.
Number second quarter, the score is 47-41.
Ayun ang first half na.
All players, kita po natin, kita na po. All players. 47-41. 6-point lead.
Ayaw. Ayaw ng partner.
Bang!
Ayaw ng partner.
Walang score na uno eh.
Dito.
Ay, ito wala to.
Dito.
Wala nga. Ay nga sinasabi ko sa'yo, di ba siya? Parang naglolo ko na rin na nakaraan niya eh. Kasi ba nasira nga rin naman. Yung monitor ko, nalaglag yung monitor ko.
Hinangin.
Binabanggit na lang yung score.
Number 21.
Parang alam mo simula eh. Cellphone lang pinagamit ko dyan eh.
Number 2.
Hindi magkasimula eh.
Wala ano po ano? Ano yung gagawin niya?
Ina-announce.
Hindi, pag ano tayo, manual. Pre!
Number 91. Lucy.
Yun o, 5 assists. Backcourt. IC, gawa! IC, ayaw bigyan si IC.
8 seconds lang ba? Steal.
Parang manok eh.
Ayun, okay. Foul dito ba yung Lucy? First foul, first team foul.
Dun, yung manual na, ayun ano, yung isa, yung dati, sa 180.
First break, saka.
Pakilabas na lang kamo, pakilabas na lang kamo.
Ilabas mo na lang doon. Para pipikapin na kita.
Second drive, pasok.
Okay, sa one day league, pre. Dapat Daktronics talaga yun. Uy!
Rebound, 11-1. Pass to Jack Maytown, pass to 55. Number 20, Lucy. 54-24.
Third quarter.
Simula pa lang yun.
Tira!
Fires! Rebound. Rebound. Quick. Number 55, bring the shot.
10 points! 10 points!
56-44. I see, just over. So on a stop, wala.
Pagod na siya eh. Ngayon, sumitin.
Number 20, wala.
Dumiretso tagay eh.
Number 17, rebound, up and down. Drop by down, winning a shot.
10 points. 10 points na rin niya.
88-44. Rebound by number 91. Number 91, Yuzu. 16-44. Favorite by Blue. Last 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 2. 16-46. Last 6 minutes.
Uy! Nice pass. 12 points.
Drop by down, Yuzu.
Best player ah. Ay. Baka gusto mo magpa-interview ah.
Number 55, bring the shot. Wala, rebound. Tumiti. Okay, so you ready?
Kailangan niya ang bullet.
15, Yuzu.
Pantay si! Ayaw tumakbo! Si Richard na lang!
Steal. Number 3, pass. 5 minutes up.
Sub, sub!
5 minutes up, 5 minutes.
Pagod si Kiro, Kiro. Bola, bola! Bola!
Medium sa premi.
Ah. So, galing yata.
14, short, rebound. Number 3. Pass. Dalawa. Number 7. Gathering violation.
Uy!
Steal. Number 7. 62-52.
Uy, behind the box. Masteral ah.
Number 20. Bigay. Number 25. Number 2.
May 6 connection yun.
61-52. Plus 1 lead. Number 2. Steal. Number 2.
Kay Roger nga, leading scorer. 12 points. 12?
Steal. Number 7. Bigay.
Tira, charge!
Grabe.
Number 3, Bigay. Bigay ulit. Number 3.
Bumabaksak pa.
Ito, nakarami na rin to. 8 points.
Number 21. Last 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 7. Number 10. Number 7. Number 2. 64. Last 2 minutes. Five, pass.
Score ka, Gagi. May best player yan.
Steal. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Rebound by number 7. 66-54.
4 points ka pa lang yata eh.
Number 7.
Sabi mo. Nice one.
Number 2 and number 3. 68-54. Last 1 minute. Number 8. The Celtics. Number 7. Short rebound.
Diretso. Diretso.
Last 48 seconds. Number 21. Number 2.
Score eh.
17-54. Last 14 seconds.
Venga. Venga.
Out of bounds. Last 24 seconds.
Parang yung barwan lang sa arcade. Mas matibay pa nga.
Last 12 seconds.
Third quarter, 35 minutes.
Last 10 seconds.
Wala, pero sana.
Number 2. Last 5 seconds. number 34 of the score is 72-54.
Ginawang ano eh. Ginawang sako eh. Look ka. Player ka dati ng hideout ka.
Number 3.
Karowa.
Air ball. Got my time. Pass. Number 55. Short. Rebound by number 15. Binigay number 3. Number 3. Reverse. Now. Rebound.
Mga player na rin naglalaro eh.
Ayun, Ben.
Ito.
Number 2. 74-54. Basket down. Good shot. Good shot. 74-57. Last 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Seven, 2. Set to the board, 59.
Pinitik ko.
Number 7, 2. 74-61. People not pushing.
We want IC.
Last 7 minutes.
Wala. Sprint ka. Jogging. Jogging. On.
12 seconds shot clock. Number 7. Number 7 again.
Fourteen.
Rebound. Number 20. That's all.
Uy, mag-time out kayo.
76. 63. 65. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Maraming time eh. 4 minutes.
21 to 2. 76, 67. 2. Time out. Time out. Good game. Last 4 minutes and 4 seconds. The score is 7-6. 69. Last 4 minutes.
Uy, pumukul ka na.
Number 3. Fire.
Diba?
78-69.
Tumitingin pa sa camera.
Foul with the number. Wait. 3 minutes and 37 seconds.
Hideout. Nakasuporta namin sa hideout. Execution eh.
Bakit?
Hideout naman eh.
Kahit marinig ka nga.
Iba naman yung naglalaro eh.
Regarding number 3. Number 3. Last 3 minutes. Number 17. 78-71.
Hindi ako na.
Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Uy, kuha.
2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Venga! Venga!
8 seconds. Wow, what is wrong number? 8-81.
In-game photo ko mamaya.
Sunday. Over the ball, far short, without and right to the ball. 18-71.
12.
Number 7, short, without and right. Out of bounds. Sampai. Number 21, wala rebound. Number 21, Ilay, tawag dito yung ball. Last 1 minute and 38 seconds. 82-71. 82-71. Number 20.
More points.
71. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 17. 84-73. Last 1 minute and 8 seconds.
Sino?
8 seconds. Number 2. Last 45 seconds.
Si IC hindi na pinasok.
Wait, short. Last 35 seconds.
Tres.
Far for three.
Sabay shoot gago. Isang shoot pa dapat.
89-73. 17-2.
Lap kunin mo.
Last 20 seconds. 89-75. Last 11 seconds.
Wala, hindi na pwede.
Head up the ball game, the final score is 89-75. 43 hands.